Hey guys, it's Kirby Kwan Jr. from Concussion TV, and we're chilling at Fan Expo 2021 Limited Edition once again. And chilling with me to my right is Red Riot himself. How you doing today, man?
I'm enjoying the con, man. It's unbelievable to be back after 2 years.
Yeah.
Seeing everyone being back with all these cosplayers, it's amazing.
Yeah. So, talk to us about your process. I actually do know some of what he did over here, but, let the people know, how did you manage to construct this magnificent costume right here?
Well, first off, I have to give a heads up to him because this main body part here, EVA foam, but I was wondering how in God's name do I make it? And he gave me some great suggestions as to how to fit it and get the belt incorporated to hold it down. And in general, this entire costume is made out of EVA foam, all the textures and whatnot with some foam clay, plaster dipped all of it, painted it by hand, and then we're here.
So, why Red Riot? What is the big thing that really attracts you to this character and, made you decide to dress up as him for today?
I love the character. His entire thing is like he's boisterous, he's loud and proud, but inside he's really insecure. It's a very low-key, relatable thing, and I love how his entire Unbreakable thing is that even though he gets bashed, he gets back up in spite of it. That's why I love Red Riot. That's why I said I had to come out here for it.
It's a very literal sense of hard on the outside and soft on the inside in this case. So, so tell us, what is the thing that you miss the most, though, about, 2 years absence in terms of the conventions? What's the dope thing about coming back to you, the biggest thing?
It's 100% the community. Okay. Like, just coming out here, and then people ask for your photos, and you ask for theirs. You get their answers, you make
Yo, okay.
Seeing other cosplayers, like, it's great to just DM people on Instagram and make friends through that. But being there, seeing amazing works, learning from everybody, and showing your stuff off is a blast.
So, speaking of which, what would you think is the biggest sort of piece of advice you could give to new cosplayers and convention goers out there?
Is definitely being persistent, because no cosplays are perfect. Is definitely, everything's going to have a mistake, but every time you sort of learn from that mistake, you don't have to completely eliminate it, you just make it better, and you're always going to have fun. That's a blast. That's the best part of it.
Absolutely. So, Ava, tell us, where could we find you on social media platforms?
You can find me on Instagram at Concussion Cosplay.
There you go, man. And don't forget, here at Concussion TV, if you could dream it, you can make it, and you can share it with everybody else so that we're all a community. Stay safe, guys.